What do you think a to the power of 0 equals? If your answer was 0, then congratulations. You're just as wrong as 90% of people out there. Wait, how can nothing suddenly turn into 1? In school, your teachers probably just told you a to the power of 0 equals 1 as a rule and expected you to just accept it without ever explaining why, right? Well, let's crack this mathematical mystery in just 60 seconds. First, let's look at the pattern of numbers. It's pure logic. You already know this. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. That's 16 divided by 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 8 divided by 2. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2. Now, pay close attention to the pattern. To get from 16 to 8, we divide by 2. From 8 to 4, we divide by 2. From 4 to 2, we divide by 2 again. So, following that exact same logic, to get from 2 to the power of 1 down to 2 to the power of 0, we have to divide 2 by itself. And 2 divided by 2 is, obviously, 1. Explanation number 2, the power of division. If you're still not convinced, try this. What is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m? Any number divided by itself is always 1. But according to the laws of exponents, when we divide, we subtract the powers. So m minus m equals 0. Therefore, a to the power of 0 and 1 are actually just two different ways of writing the exact same result. And finally, explanation number 3, the invisible 1. Imagine that in every multiplication, there is an invisible number 1 just waiting there. 2 to the power of 3 is actually 1 times 3 2's. 2 to the power of 2 is 1 times 2 2's. 2 to the power of 1 is 1 times 1 2. So 2 to the power of 0 simply means the number 1 stays there, but it's not multiplied by any 2's. The final result, still 1. But wait, this rule works for every number except 0. 0 to the power of 0 is an exception. It's a mathematical black hole that scientists are still debating today. Do you want to know why? If you have a more convincing explanation or want me to cover it in the next video, comment down below. There are many more fascinating videos coming up.